Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work in this pattern. This is really easy to make, only 2 row repeat. What we have to do, we are going to start by make some chain. It is really depends the size you like, but for this tutorial I'm going to make some chain to show how it looks like. What we have to do, we are going to start by chain 3 for beginning. Then I'm going to skip 2 chain, and the third one I insert my hook and try to grab the yarn 2 times, 1 and 2, like this. Then make it together, chain 2, and again I make another puff stitch in the same chain and 2 times, 1 and 2, like this. What I have to do, repeat the pattern by skip 2 chain, insert my hook in the third one and make another puff stitch by grab the yarn twice, like that, and make it together. Between these two I make 2 chain, and again I make 2 puff stitch, like that. I'm going to do it one more time. I skip 2 chain, insert my hook here, make a puff stitch, make 2 chain and another. I'm going to keep continue until the end of the row, and I'll be back. This is the end of the row. What we have to do, we are going to make 1 double crochet at the end, like the one in the beginning, because it's considered as an edge. What we have to do, we are going to chain 1, return the work. In the first one I'm going to make 1 single crochet for the beginning. When it comes to that part, here in between these loops I'm going to make 3 single crochet, like that. Then again in the next loop I make another 3 single crochet, like that, and I keep continue until the end of the row. When it comes to the end, here, this is the row 2, is going to be repeat anytime you come to the back side of the work. Like that. When it comes to the chain here, always to make 1 single crochet on the top of that one also. Row 3 we are going to repeat again like row 1. As you can see here, start by chain 3. When it comes to that part, we are going to insert my hook in the third one and make puff stitch like that. I grab the twice, make one chain, then another two loops, two chain, and we repeat again 1 and 2. As you can see here, this puff stitch comes exactly on the top of this one. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, then chain 2, and that's it. If you repeat these 2 rows, after a few rows, you're going to have this beautiful pattern. As you can see, front side and back side are almost the same, so it means that it can be used for scarf or baby blanket or any other kind of project you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you like it, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.